Welcome to part 3 of how to earn commissions all day long. I am William Caleb, the interweb strategist, coming right back at you. And of course, in the first 2 videos, we went over a new opportunity that I joined. It's called the Funnel X ROI, and it has 5 income streams built into it. And let's go ahead and pull it up on our screen here, and of course this is what you see in the members area after you sign in and log in. And I wanted in this video to briefly go over the other 3 income streams and show you some testimonials, some proof, some case studies, if you will, so you can see how phenomenal this opportunity has been for many people, and people who are new, people who are old, people who are experienced and non-experienced, both coming in and really crushing it with this. Of course, the first income stream was the Easy One Up, which is a direct response digital education program. It's sort of like those online course training programs that many people get when they want to learn something. They just go online, pay a specific price, and then they can access the learning videos that they paid to learn. Same thing here, but the thing that you're learning is digital marketing in the home-based business world. That's what Easy One Up provides, extensive training and learning and education in the direct marketing digital online space. And there are several price points there. There's a $25 price point, a $100 price point, a $250 price point, $500 price point, $1,000, and even a $2,000 price point. And depending on which of these levels you come in at, that determines how much instant commissions you're going to receive. For example, if you come in at the $250 level, then you would receive $250 for every person that wants that particular training series. Okay, and then the next one was the autoresponder portion income stream of the Funnel X ROI, which is actually fulfilled by a company called Now Lifestyle. It's an opportunity in and of itself, but we mainly use it here in the Funnel X ROI system as the autoresponder. It right now contains about 50 to 60 email messages that will automatically be sent out to each one of your prospects that come into your funnel. There's also some other awesome things with Now Lifestyle. They pay 50% commissions. They have individual trainings within it themselves, and Now Lifestyle has an awesome physical training program. It provides daily routine physical exercise programs that are specifically laid out according to your fitness profile. You'll be given a set of videos tailor-made to a set of exercises tailor-made to your specific fitness profile and the goals you are trying to achieve. Okay, now the third one is the ClickMagic business opportunity and program, and what it does is it allows you to actually track all your marketing. So if you're coming in to the online space and you're running advertisements, you're marketing, you're using different marketing tactics, and you start to getting sales, how do you know which one of those marketing tactics is better than the other ones? The only way you know is if you track your advertising, track your marketing, and that's what the ClickMagic allows you to do. And we also have, as another income stream, we have a pay-per-lead system, and what that is a program where the owner of the Funnel X ROI system set up a way where if you just generate a lead, he'll actually pay you like $1 per every lead you bring in. And a lead is simply someone who fills out a form with their name and email. Fill out their name and email, and it's a reputable email, it's a real person, you get paid for that. And there's also some other income streams built in within that income stream. So that's awesome to add into the funnel XRI. And of course, we also have an income stream that allows you to give away vacation packages. That's another income stream that generates a residual monthly stream. So all of this is built here in XRI, and you'll find that all in here along with some case studies. There's a whole bunch of bonuses you get for completing certain steps. As you complete steps, you're going to open up bonuses. Now, what I wanted to go into is I wanted to show you some case studies. And if we go into the Funnel XROI Facebook group, just a second while it loads up here. Okay. Now, as you can see here, this is the Facebook group. There's currently 5,267 members here, and you'll see just 10 hours ago, Mr. Scott Darvit posted where he just made 500 using the Funnel XRI system. Of course, this 500 is from the Vertex Elite positioning in the first income stream within Funnel XRI, which is the Easy One-Up program. That's where he made that 500 for. And let's see if we keep scrolling. Let's see what else we can find. Miss Kelly Bolton received a $1,000 payment into the Easy One-Up part of the Funnel XRI. Let's see anybody else. Now look at this. This is interesting. Mr. Sam Randall made $500 payment while cruising in his new Mercedes that I found out that he was able to get from commissions earned using Funnel XRI. That's awesome. 500 and a Mercedes. I could stop right there, right? I could stop right there. That should be enough right there to motivate you to get on down with this at dailyprofits.biz. That's where you start, folks. You got to start at dailyprofits.biz. And let's see what else we got here. Wow, there's just so much going on in the group. So many people are making profits. $100 payment, $25 payment. Look at this one here. Wow, new lead subscription, People are bringing in leads to their Easy One-Up, program using Funnel XRI. So if you already, that's a quick tip. If you're already in Easy One-Up, and maybe you might be struggling or just looking for a better way to get more people to see your Easy One-Up league, a good idea would be to just join Funnel XRI. I mean, it doesn't matter if you're already a member, you can still use Funnel XRI to market your Easy One-Up. And as you can see, people are just left and right signing up to Easy One-Up through other people's Funnel XRI link. So go ahead and go to dailyprofits.biz, folks. 10,689 in commissions plus so far for Mr. Daniel Clump. That's awesome. Look at this. Just received $96.80 from another income stream that is within the Funnel XRI system. So it's not just the Easy One-Up part that people are winning at. They're winning at all the portions within Funnel XRI, all the built-in income streams here. Another $100. Look at this, $1,200. And these are different people, folks. Different people are making this income. Another $25. This isn't just the same person over and over making the commissions. This is different people, new people, old people, experienced people, novices, people who didn't even know this was possible before last week. I mean, everyone is just winning. They come in, they promote, they win. Dailyprofits.biz, folks. Dailyprofits.biz. Look at this. And it goes on and on. $500 for another person. $500. Look at that. Look at that. Another 500. Big hi to all my fabulous Funnel XRI family. I've been in the system 4 days, folks. 4 days. Got his first $500 sale. I mean, that's amazing. I mean, with results like this, you're definitely going to want to be on board. That's dailyprofits.biz. Look, on the leaderboard. Funnel XRI, folks. All of these red arrows on the leaderboard That's the Easy One Up leaderboard. We're taking over Easy One Up, folks. Every arrow here is a person that is within the Funnel XRI system. So all of these who are on the top of the leaderboard are using Funnel XRI. So if the top people are using the Funnel XRI system, what might you think you should use? DailyProfits.biz, folks. DailyProfits.biz. And when you sign up at DailyProfits.biz, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, get you in the Funnel XRI group, but I'm also going to get you into another group. I want you to check this out, folks. The person who I came in, the leader that I came in under, Mr. Ontarian Hawkins, already made a group called the Passive Income Superstars Group. And let me tell you folks, this group is awesome. The amount of training, usually every Monday, there is a live question and answer session where he will answer any question, no matter how small, no matter how big. He will methodically go through training on how to set up everything with you. Any other little tedious questions you might, any complex marketing questions, where are you getting the people? In fact, within the files section of this very group, and of course you'll see all the members welcoming different people to the group, and you'll also see some case studies and payment proofs here. $1,000 payment from a group member, welcoming more people. People are coming in every day. It seems like every hour there's just batches and batches of people joining the group. But if we go into this file section, that's something I wanted to show you, because that's where I think the real magic is here in the Passive Income Superstars group. And I'm going to show you some of the tools that you have access to in just a minute. My PC here is moving a little slow. It's probably because I got all these tabs open and I'm recording, doing screen sharing, so you use up a lot of your processing power when you do that. Let's see, and of course, Facebook itself isn't always the fastest site in the land. Okay, let's see. We're going to go to this file section in just a moment. And here we go. We're at the file section now. And this is what I wanted to show you. All these different things he put in the file section. I'll just let you see. Just let you get a peek. Just a peek. Don't turn the light. Okay, a little peek here. Look at all these things he's got in here, man. The funnel codes, the different scripts to use, even SMS text marketing service. The Passive Income Superstars group even has a ringless voicemail tool where you can get thousands of people ringing a special telephone number that's dedicated just to you. And what happens is a voicemail will be left on their phone of a message from you, and it directs them to your opportunity. I mean, you have to see the full flow of it. I mean, I'm not going to go into details with that. I'll let you come in and go to dailyprofits.biz, sign up, and then we'll get you in the Passive Income Superstars group so you can check out that tool. So you can check out the top solo ad vendors. There's a whole list. I think he has now on here about 12. There might be a little more than that. 12 different specific traffic providers that he himself and most of the other members of the group here use to bring in consistent, continual sales. And I mean, not expensive, folks. Every business needs marketing. Every business needs advertising. Look at how much these major corporations spend just on these television spots. Millions of dollars for a 10-second spot. Come on, folks. Gotta advertise. So that's what I wanted to show you, folks. Again, it's Funnel XRI. Go to dailyprofits.biz. Promise you won't lose. I also have a special bonus for anyone coming into the Vertex position, the $250 position of Easy One Up, I have a special bonus. You're going to want to get with me. You can contact me on Facebook or dailyprofits.biz. Thanks again for your attention.